in this latest batch 8, data set 8 of the Epstein files. She writes, "This is horrifying. Trump called me a traitor for fighting him to release the Epstein files and standing with women who were raped, jailed in stalls, and trafficked to men. Only evil people would hide this and protect those who participated. I pray for these women. Only evil people." And remember what I've been saying here over and over again on the MeidasTouch Network? Trump and this regime, they are evil. And we have to just call it out that it's evil, evil, evil behavior. Then you had Epstein survivor Haley Robson, who was a Trump supporter. She voted for Donald Trump. And here she says, "I'm no longer a Trump supporter. He needs to go. He needs to be impeached." Let's play this clip of Epstein survivor Haley Robson. Play this clip.
Talking about Trump, right? Just to be clear, in terms of pointing the fingers or having, yes, exactly. And
Yes.
you said that before, that you have never heard anything to implicate him.
Exactly. It wasn't until I started meeting some of the other women from different countries and different states where I really started to hear their stories. And of course, as a survivor sister and going through what I went through, I do believe these girls. But at the end of the day, I am no longer supporting this administration. I redact any support I've ever given to him, Pam Bondi, Kash Patel. I am so disgusted with this administration. I think that Pam Bondi and Kash Patel both need to resign. And I would love to see number 47 get impeached over this. And I'm just waiting.
Should Pam Bondi be held in contempt, you think, for the release of
She
these
needs
files?
to be held more than in contempt. Absolutely.
The oddest, most bizarre statements you may ever see from the Department of Justice. They post this, basically just admitting that they're serving as Donald Trump's personal law firm. It says the Department of Justice has officially released nearly 30,000 more pages of documents related to Jeffrey Epstein. Okay. Then it goes on to say some of these documents contain untrue and sensationalist claims made against President Trump that were submitted to the FBI right before the 2020 election. To be clear, the claims are unfounded and false. And if they had a shred of credibility, they certainly would have been weaponized against President Trump already. Nevertheless, out of our commitment to the law and transparency, the DOJ is releasing these documents with the legally required protections for the Epstein victims. I want to bring in the Democratic Senate leader, Chuck Schumer, who's been actually calling for legal action to be immediately taken against this Trump regime for their cover-up. But before getting there, Senator, let's just talk about this DOJ statement. What's your reaction to it?
The reaction is very simple. They are Trump's shill. If everything is so hunky-dory, then release all of the files. They have blanked out. They have blanked out huge amounts of these files. In one whole grand jury testimony, 119 pages, totally blacked out. 265 pages elsewhere. If everything's so cool with Donald Trump, and no one believes it is, then come clean. Release all the files all the time. Don't just dribble them out. The law said they should all be released. It was passed unanimously in the Senate with only one dissenting vote in the House. All of them should be released on December 19th. And so the bottom line is very simple. You're not releasing them. You're dribbling them out. Now you're trying to be a cheerleader for Trump. There's one answer, DOJ. Come clean. Come clean. Don't stop blocking out all parts of the files. Put them all out there, put them all out at once, and let the American people decide what Donald Trump was up to and other bad people were up to as well.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's story is shocking, unexpected, and making big noise in America politics. For the first time in a long while, Donald Trump own supporters are turning against him. Yes, you heard that right. People who once defend Trump on TV, on social media, and at reels are now asking a very serious question. Should Donald Trump be impeached? And the reason behind the sudden change is connected to one of darkest scandals in modern American history. The Jeffrey Epstein file. This story is not coming from Trump's enemies only, it is coming from inside his own base. So today we will explain everything very easy. Who is Jeffrey Epstein? Why are his files back in the news? How is Donald Trump connected? Why are Trump supporters angry now? and what could happen next. Stay with us till the end because the story is far from over. Who is Jeffrey Epstein? First, let's understand who Jeffrey Epstein was. Jeffrey Epstein was a very rich businessman. He had powerful friends, including politics, billionaires, celebrities, royal family members. But Epstein was security running a huge criminal operations. He was accused of sex transactions. He was accused of sex transficking, transficking, abuse, abusing underage girl, use his money and power, abuse underage girl using his money and power to specific punishment. In 2019, Epstein was arrested against, but before the case could go to trial, he died in jail. The official story said it was suicides, but many Americans did not believe that story. People still ask who protected Epstein, who were his powerful friends, why are justice never served, what are the Epstein files. Now let's talk about the Epstein files. The Epstein files are documents, files, logo, returns, statement, and court record. These files included names of people who meet Epstein, records of private jet fighters, uh, testimony from victims, emails, and phone records. For years, Americans have demanded full transparency. People want to know who was involved, who knew what Epstein was doing, who helped cover it up. But many of these files were uh, scanned, hidden, or delayed. That's what the anger comes from Donald Trump and Jeffrey Epstein. Now come the most controversial part. Donald Trump and Jeffrey Epstein now each others. It is not a rumor. It is this is documented facts. There are photos of Trump and Epstein together. Old interviews where Trump talk about Epstein, recorders showing they moved in smaller social circles. In a famous interviews from years ago, Trump even said Epstein liked young men at the time. People ignored it, but now these old comments are being re-examined. To be clear, there is no proven criminal charge against Trump in the Epstein case, but many Americans are asking why are Trump never full questioned? Why are some files still hidden? Why do not Trump release anything when he was president? Why Trump supporters are angry? This is why the Trump. This is why this is where the story become very surprising. Trump supporters believed he was defined. They believed Trump would. Uh, the swamp expose leaders bring truth to the public. Many Trump's voters truth is completely, but now some of them feel betrayed. This is asked if Trump had nothing to hidden. Why do not the release all Epstein file? Why are powerful people still protected? Is Trump part of the same elite system on social media? Even mega supporters are posting message like release all Epstein files now. No one should be protected if Trump lead. He must be held accountability. This is something was realized. See in American politics, controversial voice. What makes the story bigger is that conservative. Big is that conservative uh, commentators are also speak out. Some right wings influencers are saying just must apply to everyone, even Trump. Others are saying if Republicans ignores this, they lose our uh, credibility. This is a crack inside the mega movement. For years, Trump controlled the narratives. Now that control is slipping. Impeachment dramats, impeachment impeachment demands. What does it means? Some Trump's supporters are not demanding impeachment. Let's explain impeachment in simple words. Impeachment's words are formal investigations, possible characters for abuse of power. The vote is in Congress. Trump has already been impeached twice before, but this time is different. This time the call is not coming only for Democrats; it is coming from the own side. That make these situations very dangerous politically. Why this story is exploding now? So why is the story exploding right now? There are a few reasons. New court documents are being discussed. Election season is getting closer. The Americans are trying to elites protection. Social media is spreading old evidence against people feel they have been lead to for decades. The Epstein case represents something bigger. Systems were powerful people. Epstein justice, media, and public reactions. Mainstreams media is also reacting carefully. Some channels are downplaying the story, others are giving its full cover. Independent media and YouTube channels are leading the discussings on X, YouTube's, and TikTok's millions of views. Hits, debates, emotional reactions. The public mood is clear. No more secrets. Secrets. What Trump's has said. Donald Trump is denied any wrongdoing. He say he cut ties and Epstein, Logan, Log, Ego, he did nothing illegal. This is a political attack, but critics response. Then release everything. The silence around full disclosures is what feels suspicious. What could happen next? How are the public outcomes? More files get released, more names outcomes, political pressure increase. Republican Party face internal divisions. If even if Trump survives this politically, the demand is already done. Trust once broken is very hard to fix. Why this matter for America? This story is not just about America. This is about justice, accountability, transparency. America's want a system where no one is above the law. Power don't not protect criminals. Victim justice. The Epstein case is a test for American democracy. Final thoughts. So what are we see right now? We are seeing Trump sporting, asking hard questions, a political movement facing reality, a country demanding truth. This is not left us right anymore. This is people us say. Secrecy. The Epstein files are not just prepared, they represent years of silence, pains, and cover ups. And now that silence is breaking. What do you think? Should all Epstein files be released? Should everyone be investigated? Not matter how powerful. Tell me your thoughts in comments. If you found the video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more reels. New expect simple. Thank you for watching my video.